The subject of posting and transfers is an important personal function. It is complementary to officers' career planning management. It is only through a balanced, a current adjustment of officers according to experienced and qualifications that a corps of competent and qualified civil servants is provided to the society. The achievement of this laudable objective is ensured mainly through posting based on experience, qualifications, and merit. Proper career management envisages that an officer should be provided equal opportunities of holding secretariat, staff, and field appointments so that he may acquire right type of experience at various stages of his career. Rotation between field and secretariat staff appointment therefore need hardly be emphasized. The policy of posting should be designed so as to ensure stability in the appointments, to encourage professionalism by recognizing and promoting merit while providing an all round experience to the individual officers. In order to avoid stagnation in performance and ideas, and to provide dynamic administration, repeated appointments to the same type of job need to be avoided unless in some special cases specialization is desired. The transfer policy is to be guided foremost by the service of public interest, and the individual's interest is to be integrated therewith as far as possible for ensuring greater harmony and efficiency. Important assignments may develop their talent and may make maximum contribution to the public welfare. In cases where officers show certain weakness in professional and character traits, they may be so positioned as to be amenable to direction, advice, and guidance. As a rule, every civil servant shall be liable to serve anywhere within or outside the province in any post under the government of Punjab or the federal government or any other provincial government or a local authority or a corporation or a body set up or established by any such government where a civil servant is required to serve in a post outside this service or cadre. His terms and conditions of service as to his pay shall not be less favorable than those to which he would have been entitled if he had not been so required to serve. This condition is not applicable to the transfer of an officer on account of inefficiency or misbehavior, or when he is transferred on his written request. Transfers of officers and staff shall be made by the authorities specified in Schedule 5 to the Punjab Government Rules of Business 1974 and the delegation of powers rules pertaining to different departments, but S&GAD shall be consulted if it is proposed to transfer the holder of a tenure post before the completion of his tenure or extend the period of his tenure before completion of tenure. Every officer may be asked to indicate 4 places of his choice. For posting, no transfer shall normally be made except under the following circumstance. Transfer before the completion of the period of tenure should be ordered only if the competent authority is satisfied. Full stop.